Hello everyone. Today I will show you the basic tutorial on post-processing AI-generated 3D models. First, open Blender and load the model attached. Put the object in the center and align the axis. After aligning all the coordinates, by clicking Command A, apply all transforms. You can check the pivot is located in the exact center of the object, and enter edit mode by pressing the Tab key, then press M, B. This is a shortcut for by distance. It is strongly recommended to use this function to join separated vertices together. Next, let's remove the floor. Create a cube. Adjust the box size to be just as big as the object. It's best to use X-ray mode for this. Click on the Properties panel and add modifier. Click on the Boolean button. Then click on the Intersect option. Then select Object option to remove the floor and only leave the rest of the area. After you have confirmed, click Apply to apply the changes. Okay, it's done. The model after completing Boolean operation should be renamed for baking. Let's quickly erase the rest. Press Command L to select everything, then reverse it to remove the remaining area in one go. If you check the scene statics in the bottom right, you will see the number of the vertices in the model is too high. To optimize, let's reduce the number of the vertices. We are going to use the decimate function. You can see that by setting the ratio to 0.1. The number of the vertices has reduced to 1/10 of the original. You need to be careful not to reduce the ratio too much, and make sure that vertices do not break before finally clicking the final apply. Next, go to the Sculpting tab and clean up the mesh and shape. Choose the smooth brush and adjust the strength on the right to clean up the surface. Next, to optimize the mesh, go to Mesh, Normals, recalculate outside to flip any flipped faces. And then use Reset Vector to clean up the mesh. Then we will texture bake the model to create a clean texture. To do this, we will go to the UV Editing tab. Press the A key to select all, and then select U and Smart UV project to quickly and easily sort the UVs. However, if you need more detailed texturing, it is recommended to retopology and unwrap the UV seams. Check for overlapping meshes and clean them up before proceeding with the texture bake. If you don't clean up the overlapping meshes, strange areas may also be painted when texturing painting, so be careful. Alright, now we are ready to start the baking process. Create a material for the model to be baked. Enter the Shading tab. And press Shift A to create an image texture. Give an appropriate name. Here, we will create a 2K image. Now, we will bake the texture of the original model onto this image. Change the render engine to cycles. If you scroll down, you can see the bake options. Click on it. And select the bake type to diffuse. We don't need to calculate direct, indirect, check only color. Set an appropriate margin value. Check selected to active. Change the extrusion value to 0.3 to 0.5 mm and press bake. If the texture is baked incompletely, increase the value and proceed. Finally, go to the Texture Paint tab and select Clone Brush. Then select the area to clone by clicking with Command left click. If the model is too dark, you can connect the baked texture to the emission to make the texture brighter while working. To fill a large area at once, use the fill function to clean up everything to the ground in one go. You need to check the mask option to apply the fill function only to the selected area. Great, it's complete this way.